Hey everyone, in today's guide, I'll show you how to add a 1098-T form in TurboTax. This form is used for education expenses and can help you claim valuable tax credits, so it's important to enter it correctly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign In option at the top right corner. Next, log in to your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the TurboTax homepage. From there, find and click on the 2024 Taxes tab. Then, navigate to the Federal section to continue. Now, click on the Deductions and Credits tab. Scroll down or search for the Education section and select it. Within this section, find and click on Expenses and Scholarships, Form 1098-T. This is where you'll enter your education-related tax information. Carefully input all the details from your 1098-T form. Follow the guided steps provided by TurboTax to make sure you complete everything correctly. Once you've entered all the information, take a moment to review your entries and ensure everything is accurate. And that's it. You've successfully added your 1098-T form in TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.